How to add pronouns to your TikTok profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will simply show you how you can add pronouns to your TikTok profile. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first of all, you have to make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version. And you can do this by launching your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, obviously you'll be able to see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon and then you come to your profile page, tap on the option called Edit Profile, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you tap on the Edit Profile option, currently you can see I'm not being able to see the pronouns option. But if your TikTok account is currently eligible for pronouns, you'll be able to find them successfully over here. Now there are a few criteria to adding a pronouns on TikTok, for which I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box. You can watch that article from TikTok itself, because it's going to be too much to cover them up in the single video. But if you do not find it, just think that you're not eligible for it. Updating the app, clearing the cache and data will not do anything. As long as you're not eligible for pronouns, you'll not be able to add them to your bio. Hopefully this video cleared the confusion. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.